We'll see how to set up corporate saving account on Wealthsimple app in simple, easy steps. And for this, let me take you to the computer screen. Just below the video in the description, you will find this Wealthsimple Refer a Friend link. When you click this Refer a Friend link and sign up Wealthsimple account, I'll show you that in detail. We both get $25 reward when you deposit $1 into Wealthsimple account. Either you click on this link if you are able to click, otherwise just copy this link like this. If you are on desktop, you can paste it on the search bar like this. When you paste it and enter, if it is on desktop, you see here, I'm opening on desktop, you will see the screen where you have this sign up now to get a $25 referral bonus. So here you go and sign up to the Wealthsimple account. If you're using the referral link through mobile, then the app will open like this and you will be asked to sign up. Once you do that, once you sign in, I will get notified like this. You can see in progress. And when you do at least $1 deposit into your account, we both will get reward like this as you see on the screen. And for some reason, you don't see the reward. Remember, you have to do the deposit within 30 days of initiation. And once you do that, we both will see this reward. If you don't see that reward, reach out to me and we will figure out how to get this added to your account. Make sure you have signed using my referral link. Once you sign in, you come to the home page, and on the home page, when you come down, you see here open or move account. Click here and then open a new account. Once you click here, now you see this has entire list from credit card, checking, USD savings, TFSA, RRSP, non-registered account with margin available, FHSA, RESP, crypto, all the way down till LIF. Click on corporate savings. Corporate saving, as you can see, just like any saving account, you can keep the cash here, earn interest and withdraw anytime